Yo guys, welcome back. This is just a really quick tutorial and I'm going to show you how to get Lyft promo codes in 2024. These are definitely the best promo codes for Lyft that you're ever going to find. These will get you $100 account credit and or free rides. So let's get into the tutorial, follow all of the instructions and enjoy. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back. And if you don't know who I am, I specialize in saving you guys money. Today, I focused all of my efforts on finding the best Lyft promo codes and coupon codes for 2024. These promo codes for Lyft are going to save you a bunch of money because they will give you not only $100 account credit on your Lyft account, it will also give you free rides. And if you've been searching like I have through Google or wherever, you're probably going to see that there's not many Lyft promo codes that are actually worth using. So you need to open up the internet, and I'm going to show you using your mobile phone. I'm going to show you how to get the best Lyft codes. So you need to go to this website, guys, wavycoupons.com. So put like www in front of it to go directly to this website. So pause the video, copy this address. When you reach this page, you need to go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Lyft. And you're looking for Lyft free credit and ride coupons. Click on that page. Now, as I mentioned a few seconds ago, you can see we have a couple of different codes we can choose. There's a free $100 Lyft account credit code, or you can even get your next 3 rides for free. So you just have to select which code is probably going to save you more, or whatever you want. So I'm going to click on the $100 account credit and click show coupon. This is the $100 account credit code. And basically, guys, this is going to give you a code that you can redeem in the Lyft app, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but it's going to add $100 to your Lyft account. Now, as you can imagine, we need to unlock the code. Pretty standard procedure, simply because these codes are quite valuable. So click on unlock code, and let's start the process, guys. Takes a few minutes to unlock your code, but I'll talk you through these steps. So you're going to see this screen here, guys. This is basically a verification step. Basically will confirm you're not a robot trying to steal the codes. So we need to unlock the code, and to do that, we just follow these instructions. It says complete 2 of the free offers below, and this will basically verify you're not a robot, so you got to follow the instructions. So you can see you're going to get a list of different offers that are all completely free. And basically, guys, to cut a long story short, you're just going to need to complete 2 of the offers on this page. And once you've done that, it's going to unlock your Lyft promo code. So that's what I'm going to go and do. I'm going to choose 2 of these. So for example, I'm going to click on this one and basically answer the questions here. And I need to input my email. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back once I've done 2 of them. God, look at this guy. He's inquisitive. He wants a Lyft promo code. Anyway, let me do these and I'll return. Okay guys, I've returned. That took me about 5 minutes. I just went ahead and I finished 2 tasks on this page. Pretty easy, guys. I didn't mind doing this. Obviously it's a bit annoying, but hey, you know you're gonna get $100 from this, so it's well worth it in my opinion. So there's even a support chat as well, by the way, if you get stuck at any point. So just complete 2 of these free offers, then hit your tabs down here. And if you've done everything correctly, you should see this Lyft coupons tab. If you do not see this tab, just make sure you do fully complete the steps. Now open it up, and here is my personal Lyft account credit promo code. I'm going to copy this. One of you can grab this, guys. I'm not going to use this, so one of you can quickly grab this, but it's going to be taken pretty quickly, I imagine. and these are obviously one-time use. So you're gonna need to get your own code, guys. Go ahead to wavycoupons.com. Make sure you go directly to the website, and yeah, hope you found this video useful. If I managed to save you money and get you free credit, go ahead, press that like button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video. That would be awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.